crew, back once again with another video, and just surfing eBay, man, looking for some bits as you do, and I thought I'd share that with you guys. You know, just hang out. My goodness me, look at this. We got AKAI 950 for £950. Should be better be fully loaded. Pretty good nick. Still got the floppy drive, not being cleaned up. That's what you call wishing on a star, mate. Hold on, let's have a look. It's got everything with it. Let's have a little read at what he's saying on the description. So is it fully loaded? Here we have a second-hand AKAI S3000 XL sampler, rated as one of the finest samplers and finest AKAIs ever made. It's an excellent piece of kit. It's not been rack mounted and it's been very well looked after, though it does have a few small marks. See pictures. I've used it for a while, but it's been stored in special storage box just to keep it dust free at room temperature. I must say the screen does seem a little darker than I remember. Though this can be easily changed with a plug and play replacement. What plug and play replacement at 950? Come on, mate. You're having a laugh, mate. Go on, let's give him 150 for it. Hold on. Is he dealing with postage? 30 quid postage. Right, what's this? Low ball, mate. 120. Simple as that, mate. Right, let's see what else we got. It was not accepted, so he's looking big money. He's looking to become a millionaire real quick on that one. What else we got? 400 quid. Now this looks pretty good for 400. I mean, look, you've got the original box. It's well looked after. Got no rack rash. Original floppy. It would help if they had a picture of it showing us the screen. Show that working. Seller refurbished. Okay, it's been electronically and cosmetically serviced by our electrician. Okay. Well, Harmony. I've heard of Harmony. I've actually heard of these people, so fair play to them. Let's see what else we got. £205. Right, this one, it's been listed and relisted. It's got a GoTech. GoTech needs upgrading. He's cleaned it off. There was, right, the guy before, right, he listed it, yeah, and on his previous listing, which I probably can't be asked to look for it, but on the back left, he had something on the back left, and it looked like something was hot glued to it or some sort of clamp or something. But look, this ain't bad. It's got no bids as well, and it's 205 quid. Okay, fair enough. It's got a few marks and stuff on it. It kind of depends on the individual, you know, how aesthetically nice you want it, or do you want to just build tune. Screen looks good, and it all seems to be okay. What's the description saying? Let's see, is it pretty bland? Or yeah, it's pretty bland. Vintage AKAI S3000 sampler with USB drive. He's still on the make and offer one. I think he wants around the 200 mark for that. Still not a bad buy, but that GoTech part of it is going to need some attention because it's on the index mode, and that's a ball ache to figure out if you don't know what you're doing. And I wouldn't even, I'll just upgrade it, just flash it, put a new screen on it, upgrade it. What we got here? We got an EB16 effects card, 250 quid, coming from where is it? Japan. Only thing is, at the moment, man, international deliveries are a nightmare. I got scammed on flipping AliExpress the other day. I ordered this retro freaking emulator thing, and it went to an address apparently that was the same as mine. Well, no, it wasn't the same as mine. It was a completely different address up in Southampton. And apparently, when I phoned the post office, they said, because there's two addresses, there's two road names the same of mine, and I thought it was that, but it wasn't. It turns out it was a flipping some scam thing where they send it just to say it's been dispatched. So I'll put it in dispute, and I'm waiting to see what happens. Right, this one looks alright. It's a bit scuffed up here, which is a bit of a sad thing really, because I kind of like it looking pretty neat. I don't mind the odd little scratch, but that's pretty gnarly, that scuff there. So I'm not sure about that one. Yeah, look, ooh, what's happened there, man? They must have had a fight in the studio. Screen looks good. Ooh, he's got a flipping what they call it again? SCSI to SD on it. Operating system 2.0 as well. So it's EPROM'd up. Oh, it's a bit high though. Flipping out. What's he saying? Alright, so has he got any options? SCSI to SD. I'll throw in a bunch of old sample libraries on SD card. Ooh, boy, he's tempting me now, man. Damn. Right, guys, I'll put in an offer on that one, man. That one there looks alright, man. Do you know what I mean? It's got the little scuff on it, but you know what? With that SCSI to SD already in there and installed, it's alright. Maybe you could get an old panel, an old faceplate for it from a broken down one, they're going cheap. If you're patient, retro bright up these buttons. It's got potential. Alright, so let's get back. What we got? I'm just looking at AKAIs, man. I've gone AKAI mad. It's like I need to be able to look at some other stuff as well. This is quite a bundle here, isn't it? Check this out. He's got a load of, what's that, a MIDI interface? He's got a MIDI host controller. And he's got an S3000 with another sampler, I believe. It's two of them together. AKAI sampler, MIDI keyboard, and grey scratches and stains. Why would you put it on a listing? It's a bit mad, isn't it? Is it just the one piece? Let's have a look. Let's see what he's talking about here. So, AKAI USB keyboard, LKP25. Is a keyboard in there? Oh, that little thing. Fair enough. Right, let's go through it again. So what we got? We've got AKAI keyboard. You've got MIDI Tech USB host. You've got MIDI Tech through. You've got S3000 XL sampler and AKAI S01 sampler. Logitech zip drive. SCSI 25-pin cable. One red, white phone to red, white RC. You've got some cables with it, blah, blah, blah. That's not a bad little deal. What is that in pounds? 500. And it's if you're in America, I believe, is it? Oh, it's Japan. Oh, I don't know, man. That's a long way away to get something shipped, man. Anything could happen at that time. And there's some problems with international postage at the moment, man. All these cyber attacks and all that going on, man. Personally, I wouldn't trust it. I'm struggling to get stuff out and in. Okay, let's go back. Hold fire on that one. And you know another thing as well, the output boards for the S5000 were about £35, right? This is going back a couple of years ago, and I wish I smooped up one now, and I think the price of them have just gone through the roof now, man. What else we got here? Got a little inverter here, but it's not for the AKAI. Ah, here we go. What's this? 189. I think I've seen this one before, you know. Okay, screen doesn't work. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, that screen's definitely goners. Right. He wants £8 delivery, which seems a bit cheap. So it's saying you've been in an AKAI S3000 XL. Please note all items, unless otherwise specified on the auction description, are second user and may contain signs of wear. Please study photographs and description. Right, so where's the description? What do we got here? Yeah, that's in trouble, man. You need to change that that LCD. What is that? Oh my days! Nah, there's some battery leak or something, man. What is that, man? What does he want for it? Boy, 189. Nah. Boy, man, that one there's looking. It's not looking so great, is it? Let me lowball him. I'll give him 80 quid for it. Let me see if he takes it. It's been sitting there ages. It's all that schmuck there, man. Let me see what he says. Oh, there's a lot of work to be done on that one, mate. I know these AKAIs are of desired, whatever at the moment, but boy, that needs a good old scrub up, man. Oops. Put me dentist's name up there now. Oops. Right, let's go back. Right, my computer's starting to lag, guys, so I think that's all I've got time for on this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more of this eBay surfing, window shopping videos, give me a shout. Boy Busy Besides signing out. Peace out, mate.